your eyewitness weather forecast.
Well, we started cloudy today, but gave way to a beautiful sunny afternoon. Very, very quiet in our neck of the woods. High pressure system is in control, keeping the storms away, but also leaving us very stagnant. The air very still today. And you may have noticed kind of a hazy look to the sky. We actually had some smog in the sky today. And for a look at why that is, we'll go now to meteorologist Dan Mislowski for the details. Dan.
Thanks, Colleen. It all has to do with temperatures and how they change within the atmosphere. Now, under normal conditions, we have warmer at the surface and colder air above. And because of this, any pollutants or smoke from things like vehicles and factories can rise up and away from us. Now, what we had today, though, was the opposite, something called a temperature inversion. And that's where the temperatures are the opposite and we have colder air below the warmer air. And in this scenario, what we get is the warmer air acting like a cap that prevents any of this smog, any of that smoke and pollutants from rising up, so it stays near the surface and gives us that hazy look that we saw throughout the day today. Back to you, Colleen.
Thanks, Dan. And we have something in the sky this evening to check out as well. We have the crescent moon out there, but also it's joined by what looks like a couple of bright stars. It's actually Venus. That's the brightest of the planets near the moon today. And we have Saturn and Jupiter as well. You can look at these looking off into the southwestern sky. That crescent moon is on its way down, but it'll be setting at 8:01 p.m. this evening. Pretty chilly out there at 44 degrees already. We're in the mid-50s this afternoon. A little bit of a breeze. It's very light, only 3 miles an hour at this time. We're going to have a very quiet night, not quite as cold as it has been for about the past week. Temperatures in the mid to upper 30s for lows overnight tonight. Still some patchy frost possible, but a lot of us staying above freezing overnight tonight. And we'll be back up into the 50s again tomorrow afternoon. 54 in Old Forge, 57 in Utica, 59 in Oneonta. A couple places could even hit 60 tomorrow. We will have more clouds coming in, though, in the afternoon. Tonight, though, clear skies all night long. They're very quiet. We'll see more clouds rolling in as we get into tomorrow. They'll get thicker and thicker as the day goes on, but we'll be fairly quiet until tomorrow night. That's when we have a round of rain moving through. Not expecting much with this storm system, just a couple of 1/10 of an inch. Looks like most of those showers will be out by daybreak on Wednesday. May have some clouds and a sprinkle or two to start, but then we'll have a nice dry, mostly sunny afternoon there on Wednesday afternoon. Breezy as well, so any smog that we may still have lingering tomorrow will get kicked out once that rain moves through and we have the breezy afternoon here on Wednesday. So tonight, very, very quiet. Clear skies, calm winds. We'll get down into the 30s. Tomorrow, fairly mild again. We'll get into the mid-50s. Partly cloudy skies, very, very light breeze. And it's showers for tomorrow night, but quiet again by Wednesday afternoon. We're mostly sunny. And then we've got a windy day Thursday and Friday, mostly cloudy for Veterans Day. And then some showers coming through for us at the end of the week. That's going to leave us chillier for the weekend. We'll have a chance for some lake effect rain and snow showers this weekend, but what we're really keeping a close eye on is Sunday night into Monday. A storm system could be bringing us some rain and maybe some accumulating snowfall there as well. So definitely something to keep an eye on later in the forecast.
Awesome. Thanks, Colleen. Here's a look at what's coming up.
Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
Beautiful day today. Started off a little cloudy for us, but we had nice sunshine in the afternoon. Temperatures able to get into the mid-40s, mid-50s rather, in the afternoon. And we had a nice sunset to end the day. Take a look at the afternoon, though, here. I'm going to isolate it on the time lapse. You can see that it was kind of a little hazy, almost foggy looking in the distance today. And this is actually smog that has been building up for us in the valley over the past several days with how stagnant that the weather pattern has been. You were able to kind of see that layer here today, and it's a combination of the stagnant weather pattern and the temperature that's kind of causing this to happen today. On a normal day, you've got the warm air near the ground. It gets cooler as you go up in elevation, but today we actually have a warmer layer on top of a cooler layer, and that kind of acts as a cap, keeps that smog and smoke in a thin layer here on the ground. So we're going to continue to see this kind of stagnant here into tomorrow. You may notice it a bit, but tomorrow night we have a front coming through, and by Wednesday the wind will pick up and we should see that start to clear. It does affect air quality for us. The air quality was a little bit lowered today because of this. Low-level ozone at the ground was a little bit heightened again. We may still have that tomorrow, but improvement by Wednesday. Right now we're at 40 degrees, calm out there. Skies are clear as well. We've got a very quiet night, good for stargazing, and temperatures will get down into the 30s, 37 in Old Forge tonight, 38 in Utica, 36 in Cooperstown. Not dropping too much more actually from where we are right now. And tomorrow in the afternoon, we'll get back into the mid-50s, so very similar temperature-wise to where we were today. 54 in the North Country, 56 in Ilion tomorrow, close to 60 in Oneonta. Some places will likely hit 60 tomorrow afternoon, though we will be battling some cloud cover, so it'll be hard later in the day. Now you'll see as we roll the futurecast forward tonight, we've got clear skies, quiet all night long. Clouds start to roll in tomorrow, and they'll get thicker later in the day. We could have a sprinkle or two, but it looks like most of the showers hold off until tomorrow night. Now this will be our first round of showers for a while. Doesn't look like we're going to pick up too much rain, a quarter of an inch really at most, a couple of tenths of an inch in most spots. These showers move through, largely wrapping up by daybreak Wednesday morning, but we could still start Wednesday a little on the cloudy side with a sprinkle or two. Quickly though, giving way to sunshine. That'll be a nice breezy afternoon, that smog clearing, and a nice quiet day there on Wednesday. So tonight we're pretty quiet. We'll cool down into the 30s. We've got clear skies, but a chance of some fog and a little smog out there as well. That could linger a bit tomorrow. We'll have partly cloudy skies, mid-50s, so pretty mild in the afternoon. Not too bad for this time of year. And we'll see mid-50s again on Wednesday and Thursday, right on through the end of the week. Thursday will be on the cloudy side for Veterans Day, and we have a small chance for an isolated shower there, but otherwise it'll be kind of breezy ahead of rain that's coming in for Thursday night and Friday. It does look like that'll be a good soaking rain for us at the end of the week, and that's going to leave us cooler for the weekend. We'll have some lake effect showers, maybe some snowflakes, and we are watching the possibility right now Sunday night into Monday. A storm could bring some rain and snow, possibly accumulating snow to the area, so something to keep a close eye on there.
So fog and smog out there.
Foggy and smoggy, and we're just, we just need it to break. It's been so stagnant for several days, but 24 or 36 hours from now, we'll see that clear. Yeah.
Thanks, Colleen. Still to come tonight on Eyewitness News, first at 10, Sports Director David Edelstein has your look at local sports. That's next.
Your Eyewitness Weather Forecast.
We're taking a look at the time lapse just from this afternoon because that's when the smog was the most noticeable earlier on today. I got a lot of questions about this, and it was kind of like a hazy fog in the sky. You could almost see the top layer of it. It's very noticeable if you're looking out towards the hills in the distance. They're kind of grayed out, and that was actually smoke and pollution and whatnot formed locally, and because of our very stagnant pattern over the last couple days, that has been building up, and we had something funky going on with the temperature today that allowed that to get even worse. So normally on a normal day, you have the warm air down in the city, and it gets colder as you go up in height, and that allows that normal pollutants to go up into the atmosphere. But today we actually had a warm layer on top of a cooler layer, and that disallows that pollution and smoke to get up into the higher atmosphere. It kind of keeps it capped down here low to the ground. Does have effect on air quality. We saw the air quality get a little bit worse today because of this, and we'll still be dealing with this tonight into tomorrow, it looks like, as well. But we have a front coming through tomorrow night that'll help to kick that out, and a breezy day Wednesday should clear what's left of that out as well. Now we've already followed into the 30s, 39 in Utica at the moment. Very light breeze, 3 miles an hour at the moment out of the southeast. Temperatures will continue to drop into the mid-30s later tonight, but they get back into the mid-50s tomorrow afternoon. That's about where we were today. 57 tomorrow in Utica, 54 in Old Forge, Oneonta, Cooperstown, close to 60 degrees. Tomorrow afternoon, we will have some clouds coming in late in the day, though, so hitting these highs, it looks like, earlier in the day, in the afternoon. And then as we roll the futurecast forward tonight, we've got these clear skies, maybe a little bit of fog, but very quiet. Tomorrow, we start to see more and more clouds roll in. It'll be on the cloudy side in the afternoon, maybe a sprinkle or two, but then we're expecting showers to come through tomorrow night. This is when the front comes through. You'll see these scattered showers here through the night tomorrow night. Only a few tenths of an inch, maybe a quarter of an inch of rain expected at most. Those are pretty much out of the area by daybreak on Wednesday, and you'll see that we may start a little bit cloudy there first thing in the morning Wednesday, but beautiful, mostly sunny skies in the afternoon. Nice and breezy for us with that fresh air coming in Wednesday. So tonight we're down in the 30s, clear skies, maybe a little patchy fog, a little foggy and a little smoggy, but tomorrow we'll see partly cloudy skies. Those continue to increase later in the day. We hit the mid-50s and we'll stay pretty mild overnight tomorrow night. Our lows are only in the mid-40s when we have that rain coming through. So definitely all rain for us. We're back to the mid-50s Wednesday, and again, Veterans Day looks a little on the cloudy side there. Thursday, breezy as well. Maybe a sprinkle, but the real rain holds off until Thursday night and comes through Friday morning as well. Then we'll just be dealing with a few scattered showers the rest of the day Friday. Windy there, though, at the end of the week, and that's going to leave us cooler for the weekend. We may see a few lake effect showers there and possibly some snow Sunday into Monday. We are keeping a close eye there on Sunday night for the potential for some accumulating snow. So a couple of pretty mild days today, not too bad with the sunshine.
No, it was beautiful out there.
Continue with that for much of the week.
Thanks, Colleen. There's more Eyewitness News coming up right after the break.